Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A7 Pro, and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. So at first, open your phone together. Now enter code *##06#, and here you've got device information with serial number at the bottom of the list. So this is the first method. Tap on OK to exit, but you can also locate serial number via settings. To do it, just enroll the settings, go to About Phone, now scroll down, select Detailed Info, go to Status, and now mark Model. And here you've got your serial number as well, so smoothly use one from those options, one from the methods, and check your serial number. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.